Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Binance's age requirements. Binance, like many financial platforms, mandates that all users be at least 18 years of age to open an account. This is a crucial policy to ensure compliance with legal and regulatory standards. Attempting to bypass these age restrictions by providing inaccurate information during registration can result in severe consequences, including permanent account suspension and potential loss of funds. It is essential to understand and adhere to these rules for a secure experience. Age restrictions are not arbitrary. They serve several important purposes. Primarily, they protect minors from the inherent financial risks associated with cryptocurrency trading and complex investment decisions. Furthermore, these rules help Binance comply with stringent global regulations, including Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering laws, which prevent illicit financial activities. Legal contracts and financial agreements generally require participants to be of legal adult age, typically 18 years old, to be binding. For individuals under 18 interested in cryptocurrency, there are constructive alternatives. You can focus on extensive learning through educational materials, online courses, and simulated trading platforms to build knowledge without financial risk. Another option is to have a parent or legal guardian open an account in their name, with their explicit permission and active supervision, ensuring full compliance. Some specialized platforms might offer custodial accounts, allowing an adult to manage assets on behalf of a minor. The most straightforward and compliant path is to wait until you reach the legal age of 18 years to open your own Binance account. In the meantime, prepare by gathering necessary identification documents, such as a government-issued ID, for the Know Your Customer verification process. Always make it a practice to thoroughly read and understand the terms of service for any financial platform. When you do open an account, prioritize robust security measures, like two-factor authentication for enhanced security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.